Concordia and McGill have won a partial legal victory against the CAQ government in the fight over out-of-province students from the rest of Canada. The CAQ had hiked tuition for those students by 33% and introduced a requirement that most of them must learn French. Today's court decision effectively quashes both those things.
It's a relief to see that the judge has agreed with us on some pretty fundamental issues.
The CAQ introduced these changes a couple of years ago. Tuition fees for out-of-province students went up from $9,000 to $12,000. The CAQ justified the hike by saying that Quebec taxpayers shouldn't have to subsidize the education of out-of-province students. Well, today's judgment calls that tuition hike unreasonable, and it gives the government 9 months to go back to the drawing board and come up with a new formula.
I think this is an opportunity for universities, including ours, but other universities in Quebec, hopefully to sit down with the government and hit the reset button.
The CAQ also introduced a requirement that 80% of these students must learn at least intermediate French while studying here. Premier François Legault had justified that by saying these students were contributing to the decline of the French language and culture in Montreal. Well, today's court decision says the government presented absolutely no evidence to back that up, so it invalidates that claim effective immediately. The government says it'll take time to study the decision before commenting.